Hello everyone, welcome to Yards and Parts, where finding the right engine or transmission is simple and hassle-free. We specialize in OEM quality used engines and transmissions sourced from trusted salvage yards across the USA. The process starts online. Customers submit their vehicle details through a quick request form. Our sales team reviews the information and contacts the customer to confirm the correct engine or transmission. Behind the scenes, our technicians carefully inspect each unit to ensure performance and reliability. Once approved, the order moves to our fulfillment department, where engines are securely packed and prepared for shipping. From our yard, the order is dispatched and delivered directly to the customer's doorstep. No stress. No confusion. Just a smooth and reliable process. This is what makes Yards and Parts different. From inquiry to delivery, we handle everything with care and transparency. Yards and Parts. OEM quality used engines and transmissions delivered with confidence. Reliable engines. Fast delivery. Order today on the Yards and Parts website and get it delivered straight to your doorstep.